Namaste everyone, and welcome back to Sahu DENT Laboratories. Folded hands tooth. Today, we are coming to you live from the heart of New Delhi at Pragati Maidan. And yes, you guessed it right, we are at Expo DENT 2025, Asia's largest dental trade fair. This platform brings together the best minds, latest technologies, and top brands from the dental world, all under one roof. From advanced dental materials and cutting-edge equipment to digital dentistry, implants, CAD/CAM systems, and innovations shaping the future, Expo DENT is truly a paradise for dental professionals and technicians. For us at Sahu DENT Laboratories, this event is not just about exhibitions, it's about learning, upgrading, and connecting. We are here to explore new trends, understand global standards, and bring back better quality, precision, and innovation to our lab work for our doctors and patients. Over the next few moments, we'll be showing you exclusive stalls, live demos, new product launches, and insights straight from industry experts. If you are a dentist, dental technician, student, or someone interested in dentistry, this video is going to be very informative for you. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and stay connected with Sahu DENT Laboratories for more updates from Expo DENT 2025.